All right, welcome to Blessed Music Academy. Still on chord. Still on chord. I promised to also do what I did in our last class with the staff. Okay, so we're going to also look at chord inversion with the staff for those who don't understand what I did initially. So I'm going to do it with the staff. Okay, so for you to form any chord on the staff, you have to draw your 5 lines and 4 spaces. Please don't mind my line. I'm not using a rule. You draw your 5 lines and 4 spaces. Okay, so this is my 5 lines and 4 spaces. I'm using the treble staff, so I have to do my treble staff. Okay, and then since I'm doing it on C, I have to form my scale on C. This is my C. I have to form my scale. This is my C. Okay, this is my do, re, mi, fa, so, la, ti. Let me not complete it because you are coming back to the same thing. So you have gotten your scale. This is the same thing as do, re, mi, fa, so, la, and then ti. You have gotten your scale. Now you have to form the other 2 notes to make it a chord. Your third and your fifth. Your third and your fifth. That is what you are forming. So here now, this is my 1, 2, 3. Don't miss any line. This is my third and this is my fifth. Okay, for re chord, this is my third and this is my fifth. How do I get my third and my fifth? Don't miss any line. This is 1, 2, this is a space here, 3, the line is number 3, the space is 4, the line is fifth. Okay, if you watch here, this is space 1, line 2, space 3, line 4, space 5. So your third and your fifth, your third here, your fifth. Okay, all these are root chord, rather root chord. Your third and your fifth, your third and your fifth. Okay, your third and your fifth, your third and your fifth. So I've been able to form the chords on C major, okay, with the staff. So this is something as, I'm going to write it out here. This is a C, E, and G. That is the chord. Let me use black pen to differentiate it. This is C, E, and G. Okay, this is D, F, and A. Okay, this is E, G, and B. This is F, A, and C. This is G, B, and D. This is A, C, and E. And then this is B, D, and F. All right. Now, if you don't understand this, you have to go back to my class on letter names of the lines and spaces of the treble staff. Okay, if you don't understand this, you have to go back to it. All right. Now, I am going to also do the inversion. Now, this is root chord, the root chord. Okay, this is the root chord. Now, let me do the first inversion like I did. So I will have to draw my 5 lines and 4 spaces also. I will have to draw my 5 lines. Okay, this is my 5 lines and 4 spaces. I have to all right. So my first inversion, I am starting from my third. Okay, my first inversion, I'm beginning from my third, so I can just run it that way. Okay, my third, I can just run. This is my E, F, G, A, B, C, D, and then E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I will just stop here. Okay, 7. All right. So the next thing I'll do, I'll take my fifth, and then my first. This is first inversion. Mi so do, mi so do. That's my first inversion on my C major chord. My D minor chord, I will take the fifth up here, which is this, and then I will take the first, which is my D. That is my first inversion. Okay. Now this is fa la re, fa la re. Then this, I've taken my third here for my E minor. I will taking my third as my G. So I will take. All right. So here on my E minor, I've taken my third, my fifth. So I come here to take my first, which is my E. Okay, so this is my second inversion. Now I'm taking my third here, so I'll come here to take my fifth, and then I take my first. Okay, this is my second inversion. Now I'm taking my third, I'll take my fifth here, and then take my first here. This is my first inversion. Sorry, first inversion, please. Okay, so I've taken my third, take my fifth, and then my first. Okay, so I've taken my third, then I take my first. Okay, so this is my first inversion. This is my first inversion. Okay, so I will leave you to do the third inversion on your own. Let me guide you. The third inversion. Okay, let me write this out before I give you. The first inversion is E, G, and C. mi, so, do. For D minor, we have F, A, and B. Okay? For E minor, we have G, B, and E. Okay? E, G, B, and E. Okay? For F major, we have A, C, and F. Okay? For G major, we have B, D, B, D, and G. Okay? For A minor, we have C, E, and A. Okay? Then for B diminish, we have D, F, and B. Okay, so this is it. This is our first inversion, our first inverted chord of C major. First inversion of C major. All right, so go and do this second inversion. Second inversion, you start from, you look at the first, start from the fifth note. Okay, so you go to the first and then the second. That's how you do it. If you want to do the second inversion, you pick the fifth, which is your saw, your first, which is your do, and then your third, which is your mi. So you are having so, do, mi. Okay, for the third one, for the D minor, you are picking this, which is your la, re, fa. That is your third, your second inversion. Sorry, your second inversion. So your second inversion is la, re, fa. Second inversion. So go and do that your own and come up with something. Okay, come up with something. If you wish to post it on the comment section, you're free. If you wish to post it on the comment section, you're free. And then if you also wish to post it on our WhatsApp group, you're also free. We have a WhatsApp group that we normally use, okay, to interact. Okay, so you're also free. I'll also post the link on the comment section. Thank you.